What is the beginning sound of the picture? G. G is for girl. What is the beginning sound of the picture? H is for hamster. What is the beginning sound of the picture? E is for eggplant. What is the beginning sound of the picture? H is for hundred. What is the beginning sound of the picture? F is for family. What is the beginning sound of the picture? G. G is for glasses. What is the beginning sound of the picture? E is for earmuffs. What is the beginning sound of the picture? F is for factory. This video was brought to you by Complabteacher.com, where you can find more resources for children, like games, videos, math and reading resources. Try our new interactive wall where you can click on one of our videos to watch. You can even subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to be the first to get our newest videos.